Namaskaram, welcome back to another vlog. Hope everyone is doing great, good and safe too. If you are new on this channel, my name is Rupesh Minchala. I do travel vlogs. So I have 1 week left for my holiday here in India. Today climate is so good. Today I've decided to go for a little trek for sunset. So without wasting any time, let's get started.
త్వరగా వస్తాలే. టైం is exactly 5. All set. I'm also taking my ukulele. It's not like a huge trek, it's just a little hike. Maximum it will be around 20 to 30 minutes. Maybe it's been a while since I've been on a trek or a hike. Maybe I'll take some 40 minutes. I got some snacks and some water as well. So it's a solo hike. And it's a nice weather as well. I'm going to have a good time for myself. A nice sunset evening. It looks like sun is setting faster because I'm little bit late. So this was the damage that happened in last floods. As you can see, road is completely damaged and this is the new road. It was huge. And we are almost here. That is the hill I wanted to hike. I think now you can see it. Getting my drone, I missed my drone for a year almost. I missed it so bad, and now you can see some good shots with my drone as well. I'm planning to take my drone to UK this time. Let's see how it goes. So yeah, this is the hill that I'm planning to trek. It looks like it is very small, but it's hidden. I'm not wearing my shoes or anything because I know it's just a little hike. So yeah, let's start our trek before it gets late. So let's go. I reached almost like 30%. This looks like it's a very small place, but while trekking it's so huge. And this is the view so far. So this is my favorite part. You will get the view of whole Tirupati. So yeah, enough of talking, let's go. spot here with
both the views of Tirupati and the sunset view. So actually I lost the trail, so I'm just sticking with this place. I don't want to miss the sunset and my time, so I'm just sticking here, and maybe I'll have a little session with my ukulele and record the time lapse as well. I'll also fly my drone around and show you all this beauty of my hometown, so check them out. So I'll end my vlog here. Hope you guys enjoyed this mini vlog. I'll head back home now. So it's a really good place and very peaceful place with views like this. So you can see whole Tirupati. So see you in next video. Until then, stay blessed. Peace.